Okay, we've got our Bible crew over here. And these are the Bibles that we're sharing with the, as part of this campaign. We showed you the bird, now this is the word. And we have the Bible, we've got tracts. And what we've asked people to do that have received benefits from this campaign is, this is what we say: it is our pleasure to share this Bible with you as part of our Bible and the Bird 2015 Thanksgiving Giving Drive. If you have more Bibles than you need, or more than you can read, please bless someone else with this Bible as an act of evangelism. May God's blessings be yours today. And this is on behalf of WHAM, which is our Home and Foreign Missions Department that is sponsoring this wonderful, wonderful event. All of our wonderful volunteers that are so faithful each and every year. And this is Brother Isaac. He's been doing onions and potatoes, and now he's doing the Bible. This is a hard-working little brother I know.